Just a minute.
I'm getting all wrinkled.
Hold on.
Wrinkled. And I'm not talking about my dress. I'm getting wrinkled. Let me. Well, it's about time you let me out.
Now listen, you guys better stop talking.
Boy,
What?
have you taken time out to introduce us yet?
What? No, sir, I have not. No, don't worry about that. No, I have not. You must be Jay.
Yeah, that's my wife over there, Minnie Curl Bumner. She's the finest high tenor singer in gospel music.
Is that right? All right.
Well, thank you, Paul. And I'm so proud to be here.
I had a feeling you were going to say that, Minnie. I really did. Anybody remember Minnie Pearl over there? I mean Minnie Curl. Excuse me. Yeah, all right. Minnie, I'm so proud.
I want you to know something, boy.
What's that?
Minnie's my 60th wife.
She's your what? 60th. What?
That's what I said. She's my 60th wife.
She can't be your 60th wife, JP.
Lord have mercy.
Lord have mercy, right. 60th, what, man, that would make you as old as Methuselah, man. You can't be that old. There's no...
And I'm the best bass singer in gospel music too, boy.
You sure are,
You
yeah.
just remember that.
I will, JP. Well,
You are the best. You are the best.
calm down, Minnie.
Here come the judge. You are the best.
Well, all right, yeah, I agree he's the best, yes. I agree he's the oldest, but we're going to find out and see if we can really sing. How in the world did you last so long? That's what I want to know.
I am the best.
I know that.
And I can prove it, boy.
Well, why don't
Just start singing and you'll see what I mean.
All right, we'll start singing in just a minute. But do you all really want him to sing? Do you really want him to sing? In that case, we'll have to have him sing, okay? Hang on, just a second. I got a problem here. I don't have no sound man tonight. Just stay there, buddy. Say something. All right, how about cool water? You guys have us sing cool water? All right, here we go. Cool water, here we go. No louder, Minnie.
All day I face the barren waste without a taste of water. Ready? Cool water. Oh, Dan and I with roads burn dry and salt that dry cold water. Cool water. People moving and don't you listen to him then. He's the devil, not a man, and he strength to burn the sand with water, not the eye. Dan, can't you see that big green tree where the water's run free and it's waiting there for me and you? The nights are cool and I'm a fool. Each star's a pool of water. Cool water.
Thank you, Minnie.
I'll wake it on and I'll yawn and carry home more water. Cool, clear water. Keep a moving then, don't you listen to him then. He's the devil, not a man, and he spreads the burning sands with water. Dan, can't you see that big green tree where the water's running free and it's waiting there for me and you?
Oh my goodness, how about a hand for JP and Minnie?